In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Maghealy for the Healy 2 app. So as usual, make sure that you have either Wi-Fi or data plan and turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone, and your Maghealy should be positioned at number 2. Now I'm going to turn on the app. Select your device. For the first time usage, it will request for scanning of the QR code. Turn to the back of the Maghealy, place the camera over it, and the serial number will be displayed automatically. If for whatever reason this cannot be done, then you will have to manually read the serial number from the back, which is just below the QR code. The download. All right, so just follow the steps. Now, if you're using this for the first time, you will see an update now message at the top. So tap on update now and let it download fully the entire program. Now, if what you see is a blank page, a white blank page, if there's an arrow back, click the arrow back all the way to the last, and then see whether you have the update now message. If there still isn't, it means that your device have not been activated at the company level. So therefore, you have to go to help desk at the Healy shop website in order to write into the company to request for activation. Okay, so if nothing is wrong, you will be able to see all this: the classic program 1 and 2, atmosphere 1 and 2, water 1 and 2, Maghealy 1 and 2, meridian, and the business program. Okay, so business program requires subscription. And the meridian programs, okay, when you purchase your Maghealy, it becomes free, then you will be able to use the meridian program. So otherwise, if yours does not have the meridian program, you have to go to your Healy shop in order to make the purchase. All right, so for classic program and the Maghealy program, these are for the body. So I'll show you first. For the body, it's very easy. All right, so you just need to follow the picture over here where to place the Maghealy. So the Maghealy at the bottom should be resting on either your skin or your clothes is fine. So you have to make sure that the bottom is not hot. If it's hot, you have to cool it. Lift it off the inductive charger, cool it first until it is no longer hot before you place it on your clothes or skin. Okay, now the duration is 36 minutes. Not only the picture, but the words will tell you to place it on the belly. Where on the belly is roughly above the belly button. All right, so use it daily when you start. It's the same. It will also download from the cloud. So everything is the same as that of Healy. So where you have the frequency, you have the timer, you also have the control of the percentage. So for classic program, usually I'll just leave it as 50%. All right. Yeah, don't go too high because I find that the Maghealy is actually very strong. Okay, so the frequency is more effective, so therefore start with 50%. Yeah, okay, so on the top right hand corner here you see the Maghealy. This is where you can check your battery level, and then you can also switch off the Bluetooth, okay, just like you would for the Healy device. Okay, all right, so I'm going through everything for you. So next one. So everything is all on the belly, so therefore I will not go in detail. Each of these program here, you can refer to the Maghealy handbook by Healypedia. So you will get to know everything. Yeah. Now McMakin, which is also for the body. So again, the same thing. Maghealy is very easy to use because there is no cable, no electrodes, nothing. You just turn it on. Download your program and then just use it. All right, so the few difference is this one. For neck, you put it behind the neck, and then for joints, you put it directly on the joint. Back is directly on the back. Okay, foot is somewhere near the ankle. Okay, so that is for the McMakin program. Okay, so for water, let's look at the water program. So you tap on one of the programs, they will show you. So you have a cup of water, and then just put the Maghealy directly on top. Is only 10 minutes. Okay, so again, I normally just leave it as it is, 10 minutes, 50%. So just have it on top of your glass of water. Okay, so there will be questions whether I can do one whole jug of water, one whole bottle of water, and then drink it slowly. The answer is not ideally. Okay, so the ideal situation is drink your water immediately after you inform the water with whatever frequency that you want, because the information will fade as you go along. Okay, so the longer you leave it there, the less the message will dissipate. Okay, so don't use a big jug, and then after that, after you finish activating the water, and then you pour the water into different cups, that is not ideal also, because why? You are disturbing the information and the signal in the water. So the way to do it, if you have 5 or 6 cups of water all filled up in the respective cups, and then you put the Maghealy on top of 5-6 cups of water at the same time, and you do your activation. Okay, then the other question is, can I put many programs into 1 cup of water? No. Okay, preferably 1 program at a time. Okay, so don't overlap your information. So because you need to drink several cups of water a day anyway, so along the way you use different programs to activate your water. Then for atmosphere is also very easy. Just leave the Maghealy position 2. If you're running on battery, you can leave it inside your handbag. Okay, you can carry it with you in the pouch, or you can leave it on the inductive charger. Duration is infinity. Infinity means for as long as you want. If you don't turn it off, if the battery is not used up, the program will keep running until you stop the program. Okay, yeah, so this is easy. So the reach, how far can it reach, will be about 1.5 meter radius away from the Maghealy. So it's roughly 1 Maghealy per room. Okay, 1 Maghealy per room. So don't expect 1 Maghealy to cover your entire house. All right. Okay, so same thing. You can either leave the program there on like this all the time. Okay, this one you can increase it to 100. So the reach will be 100%, means is 1.5 radius from Maghealy. Okay, so anything lower than that. So if I'm outside, I want to save the battery, a fully charged Maghealy, if you run at 100%, will last you about 3 to 4 hours. So if I'm outside and no access to charging point, I will not run at 100%. So I will just do a 50%, which can last me about 5-6 hours. Okay, and yeah, just for my own private space, I'll just put it inside my carrier bag or handbag. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so this is the thing. So once I finish the setup, I can just let it run. I will just turn off the Bluetooth and I'll just let it run in the background. So yeah, so it's as simple as that, you know. Okay, so now I will show you the meridians. Why is it? Sorry about that. Meridians. Okay, all the meridians the same. All right, all the meridians, you will put them on the belly and then start the program and then just let it run. Okay, so do you have to lie still or sit still? So you can be on the chair, okay, doing your work, and you can just put the Maghealy onto your belly, or you can lie down, okay, or yeah, or some people use a certain waist pouch, and then they just put the Maghealy inside and then wear it as they go along the day. Okay, so there are various ways to use it. Okay, then business. So these are the business program. It's quite interesting. For the business program, like motivation, determination, leadership, business acumen, goal setting, self-confidence, also got frequency one, no? Yeah, so it's quite interesting, and it's the same. Okay, so you just open the program, put it on like this on the belly, start. Every usage is the same. Okay, yeah, so that will be all for the Maghealy program. Okay, it's very easy, simple to use, and enjoy it. Okay, it's a multi